G'day guys, Ant here. Today I've got some exciting news to share with you in the Halo world. We're launching the new Halo app. That's the Digga Halo app is what you want to search for it on the App Store. It's downloadable for Apple or for Samsung, Android. It's going to allow you to have added features to your existing Halo, or if you're going to purchase a new Halo, you can get that app and it's going to give you a lot of other features that we'll run through shortly. And it's also for you guys who can't yet access Halo because we haven't developed that ring for that size drive, so the big SD range, MD, UD that we're working on, but it's going to upgrade you from the current Digga line that's available. So we'll run through some of the cool features, how it's going to get connected, and help you guys out. So if you're going to get it, the only way it's going to be used is with the battery. You've got to buy a new battery. So you guys that are already out there and have got one and using the current battery, you're going to have to upgrade to this new Bluetooth battery that will connect the Halo to your phone. So it looks like the other batteries, other than we've got some lights here at the front, and normally this would be your switch to set your orientation or your degrees. If you want to set it 10 degrees, you would have pressed that button. But with this, it's going to activate the Bluetooth. So what we do is you go through, as you would download any app, download the Digga Halo app. Then we're going to open that up. We're going to turn the battery on. So it's a double tap. We've got a blue light that's going to be flashing. Then once we've got that, we're going to hit connect on our app. It's going to connect. Your blue light will then be steady. It's not flashing anymore. So once we've got that, we cancel that and we see a nice simple screen that's been laid out there, just a bullseye. So you guys that have already got Halo, this would be an added feature if you're hanging over a wall and you can't see the ring, or you're up really high, again, can't quite see that ring. You'll have a second reference point. For you guys that don't have the light ring, this will be your reference point to whether you're straight or not. So we'll go in there, we'll see these little zeros over here. This sets your orientation. So 0 is the traditional way of hoses facing the operator. If you wanted 180, that'd obviously be hoses on the opposite side. Left, right is your 180 degrees and 270 degrees. So you just set that to how you've got your drive unit set up on your machine. So for today, we'll set it at 0. So then we will see brightness sensitivity here. So brightness, for you guys that have got the Halo, you can now scroll that up, and actually, if we get the full ring, it will change the brightness of the ring. That's in really bright day. You might want that light to be nice and bright. If you're working later on at night and you want that a little bit duller, a little bit less on your eyes, then you just turn that brightness down. So we can go back down to there. So sensitivity, this is a cool feature. Again, for you guys that already got Halo, it's set at a standard definition. So that's for your traditional, 1.2, 1.5, 2 meter high augers. Anything over that is probably find that it jumps around a lot. So you can change that sensitivity to now a high definition, a medium definition, or a standard definition. So that'll just help when you've got those bigger augers or longer extensions on and don't want that jumping around the place. So from there we can have a look at, there's a torch which just turns your light into a light ring. So loading on the back of the truck at the end of the day, you want a little bit of light in the back there, or you're working late and you want a little bit of light on the job site, you can turn that light on and it helps for that. So you can turn that off again, back to there. Another cool feature, we all know we need safety lights on sites and all that sort of thing. So as you're tracking between holes, you can flick your Halo and turn it into a safety beacon. So from there, we can then go to 0 feature. So again, and we can jump in and go here. It's a little bit more detailed. So you guys that are doing your batter walls or retaining walls, and you want to put that hole, that pier hole in at say 10 degrees or something like that, you're just going to lean that over until you get your inclinometer at 10 degrees. You're going to set that to 0, and that will maintain that 10 degrees every time. Once you want to go back to normal factory, you just hit your 0 again, and we'll return to normal factory settings. So to jump out of that, we just hit the home screen and we're back to there again. You've got a battery indicator there. It's going to tell you how much battery life you've got in there. And if you want to return everything back to normal, you just hit the return button. That returns everything back to factory settings. So again, this is not all features will be available for the guys that don't have the light ring, but what it's going to give you is that added benefit of the 6 sensors in the Halo brain to enable you to get that nice straight hole compared to a mercury switch, which is on the old Digga line. So, you guys that have got it, let's upgrade to the new battery. You guys that haven't got it, let's get started with it. It'll be retrofittable once we do get those Halo rings up and done for your drive and those drive sizes. You'll be able to retrofit onto that. So this is for any drives from 2020 onwards. The battery will connect up straight away. Any of you guys that bought Halo before 2020, give us a call. We'll work something out for you and get you up and going with it. So if you've got any other questions, give us a call. Or on the app here, there's a little home screen there, a little menu. It drops down. You can email, online chat, how to use the app. There's all instructions there, troubleshooting. So it's all there on that app that you can just get in and out of nice and easy. Got any questions, give us a call and we'll help you out. No worries. Thanks a lot.